In this video, I'll show you how to check your Facebook login activity so you can see where your account has been accessed from. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap the three horizontal lines icon in the corner of the screen to open the menu. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. On the Settings page, look for the Security and Login section and tap on it. Here you will find an option called Where You're Logged In. Tap this option to view a list of devices and locations where your account is currently logged in or was recently accessed. Each entry will show the device type and approximate location. Scroll through the list and check if you recognize all the devices shown. If you see any login that looks unfamiliar, tap the three dots next to that session and choose Logout to remove it immediately. You can also tap See More to view additional login sessions. Reviewing your login activity regularly can help you quickly notice any unusual access and keep your account safe. That's how you can check Facebook login activity using the app. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tutorials.